Hey, Morgan. Hey, Morgan. This is Morgan. He is a neutered 4-year-old male cat. And Morgan is no ordinary cat. He is really affectionate. In fact, the term affectionate really doesn't do Morgan any justice at all. Morgan, you can't get out. You have to stay in there, okay? Come here, come here. He is super, super, super affectionate. Really nice looking tabby. Oh, you silly guy. Hey, don't get out yet. Hey. Hey. Morgan. What a cat. Oh. Morgan is so difficult to videotape because he tries to get out all the time. I know, big guy. I know. Morgan is number 175902. And apologies for the quality of this video. He is very challenging to get a video of.